If you drive an older C-Class, you know that tired, sticky shift knob is probably the first thing people notice. This replacement claims to fix that decade-old problem in less time than it takes to brew coffee. We're diving into the automatic gear shift knob with gate or boot, specifically designed for the Mercedes W203 and W204 chassis. The biggest promise here, and the one that should grab every DIYer's attention, is the installation. This is marketed as a direct OEM replacement with a simple thread-on design that supposedly takes just 3 minutes. No cutting, no complex tools, and absolutely no modification required. For anyone who has wrestled with aftermarket parts, that promise of seamless integration is gold. Let's talk about the feel. The material is a combination of plastic and PU leather, which is standard for a high-quality aftermarket piece. The description highlights reinforced stitching, which is crucial for longevity, especially where the gator meets the knob. The goal here is enhanced grip and shifting comfort, and given the item's feather-light weight of only 50 grams, it maintains that quick, effortless feel you expect from an automatic shifter. The exterior finish is a clean brushed black, designed to blend perfectly with the existing console trim, giving your interior an instant, subtle refresh. It's important to note the supplier's background. They emphasize that they only deal in engineering-grade auto parts that pass strict compliance checks. This isn't just some random piece of plastic. It's a component that has been vetted for technical accuracy and proper application. That level of oversight gives you real confidence that the fitment on your W203 or W204 will be absolutely spot on, avoiding those frustrating gaps or loose connections. If your current shift knob is cracked, peeling, or just looking sad, this is a fantastic, low-effort way to dramatically improve the look and feel of your cockpit. It delivers exactly what it promises: a quick, clean, and comfortable shift experience that restores that factory-fresh look without breaking the bank. This is a powerful, simple upgrade that every W203 and W204 owner should consider.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.